What's up guys, this is Anurag from Victory. We're talking about the Motorola's One Vision. The device is famous by the name Redmi Note 7 Pro Killer. So is it the Redmi Note 7 Pro Killer? Let's find out in this video. Now, talking about a few specifications, let me tell you the specifications first, and then basically the few highlights of the device. The first highlight is the 48 megapixel rear camera. You say 12 megapixel only. By the pixel blind technology, it's going to take the photos of 48 megapixel cameras. Now talking about the other sensor, that is a 5 megapixel camera, which is pretty much a depth sensor. Now coming up to the front camera, it's a punch hole display like we have seen in the Honor V20, Galaxy S10, S10 Plus and S10e. But the resolution of the camera is not yet known. Now coming up with a few more specifications, the phone is powered by Android Pie, which will run on Android Google One program that's gonna get Android Q and Android R and 3 years of security patch. That is confirmed by the company. Now talking about, it has a headphone jack, Type C, 3500 mAh battery with a 18-watt charger that is supplied in the box. And that camera, talking about the camera is capable of long exposures and HDR 3D videos. So that is pretty much about the cameras and pretty much about the specifications. And few of the details are still not mentioned. Now talking about the display, this display is 6.2-inch LCD IPS. The resolution is 2520 into 1080p. That is pretty much very good resolution. Like talking about the price segment as we have. But what are your opinions? Do you think that this device is a Redmi Note 7 Pro Killer? But let me tell you the processor embedded in the device. The processor is exynos 9610 that we have seen in the Samsung Galaxy A50. That is pretty much a capable chipset. But frankly speaking, if this had got Snapdragon 675, it could be a better option for me at least. What can we say? 625 is pretty much good, or basically a competitor of 9610. We have seen in the A50 the graphics were good, the CPU is good, but Snapdragon 625 at least have an edge over this. So, but that's not bad. But what do you guys think, that this device is going to take over the Redmi Note 7 Pro market? But now let's talk about the price. The price is expected that it should launch under 15,000. That is pretty much tough, as the rumor says it's going to be launching under 15,000. But I don't, believe that the specifications, and especially by Motorola, it's tough, as it has glass back and a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So I think that is tough, obviously, for a device packed with such specifications to come up under 15,000. But if it does, it is a Redmi Note 7 Pro Killer, because I think Motorola is definitely a stock Android. It's pretty much very good with Android One program compared to MIUI. Cameras is, when we'll see the device, we'll come to a conclusion that whose camera is better. And battery is more on that Redmi Note 7 Pro, but Motorola battery is pretty capable. So when we'll get the device, or when we'll see the device, then we can say something pretty sure. But this is just a specification based video. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, make sure you hit the dislike button. And if you have any suggestion, make sure you tell me in the comment section. Till then, have a nice day.